Good afternoon to the Kringle community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olonolo Ayinde, one of the many voices of TBC around the world. And wherever you are, whatever your time zone where you are listening to me, either good morning or good evening to you all. Yes, guys, I'm very, very excited. Yeah, we are all happy in the house. Yes, there was a good news that was shared by our Hebrew Ambassador Himbe Derek, yesterday during the mass adoption training. It's it's a wonderful news, a great announcement, a mind-blowing announcement to the community. And on this note, I say thank you very much, the admin. Thank you very much, our Igbo admin. Thank you very much. We like you, we love you. Guys, I hope you can see my screen. Yes, 200 TBC for being on the core team. For as many who are there who are thinking, these have missed out. You have not yet missed out. It's not late. It's not yet. So come on board. And for as many who were on the core team and has dropped out, come back on. 200 TBC coins for paying your monthly program fee. Guys, do you know what? That is equivalent to 200K love. Guaranteed, certain. Come January 12, 2023, we shall be collecting our K love, and you'll be given the equal match of the value of coins in your wallet, equal match of the number of TBC you have in your wallet. That is what you'll be giving K love. So guys, don't slack. Don't miss out in the payment of your program fee. You can see it. Indeed, it's a wonderful. Like the poster that admin posted on the blog today, starting on June 1st, 2022, and ending when the admin wallet is empty. Don't forget, guys, all is in the bid to empty the admin's wallet fast so that we can quickly move into our full economics phase. So, guys, no slacking. Starting on June 1st, 2022, and ending when the admin wallet is empty, core team members will get 200 TBC per month. Guys, this is a juicy opportunity. And the backup team members will get 100 TBC coins per month instead of the former 50 TBC coins. So guys, starting from June 1st, which is tomorrow, quickly rush out, get your BNB, get your K off, and the next thing is make your program fee payment. Yes, make your program fee payment, and then let's continue. Very soon, we shall laugh and laugh and laugh. Guys, so don't forget, come on board, do fast, and don't miss out in the core team reward. 200 TBC is juicy. Looking forward to see you in the core team. Thank you. Bye for now.